Hey guys, in today's video I'm taking a look at a protector for this right here, your keyboard. Now this keyboard protector is supposed to be for this type of keyboard, the one that you got right here, the fingerprint. Alright, so this is slightly different. Let's just open it up. And there we go. So I wasn't sure what to expect exactly from this type of keyboard, but keyboard cover I should say. I did expect something to be different. Yep, here it is. There's the cutout. So if we put this on the keyboard itself, there we go. And there's your cutout. Because you need a cutout so your fingerprint will work. Or else with this type of cover, it's just not going to. So here it is. That's how it looks like. I'm not a huge fan of transparent covers just because they go yellow over time. We'll take a look at this one to see how it does over time. But so far it looks really good because you can't even see it. So I really like that about it. It's a really, really good design just because, again, we can't even notice that it's there once it's there. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments or questions, make sure to write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.